Yo, what it do? It's alwoo-witdashoe, and I'm bringing y'all some more heat and another banger. If it's your first time clicking on this video, I appreciate it, but I need you to do something real quick. Hit that subscribe button. Since you're here, you already aboard the train. Now let's jump right in, y'all. YouTube family, I want to talk about the Jordan 1 mids. That's right. They get so much hate. They don't really get the appreciation I think they deserve. So as a Jordan 1, you got your mid-top option. It's not as high as a Jordan high, but it's not as low as a Jordan low. So it's right in the middle. You can pull these off with shorts, joggers, any type of style of pants. And for the ladies, I think you get away with wearing mid-tops more than men. We don't really rock mids, but I'm here to change the game. Let's look at this Jordan woman shoe review. It's my girl, my baby shoe. So this Jordan 1 is a Bred 1 mid. You know it's a mid top because it has the Jumpman on the tongue, just like this one. Jumpman on the tongue instead of Nike Air. And it also still gives you that Wing Classic logo. But when you look at the color blocking, I think this shoe pops off the most because it got all the gray hints going across the toe tap and the back heel. And then you got the gray Nike swoosh. So it still gives you the same pattern. Nike Air at the bottom. It's just like a Jordan high, but it's mid. Like I said, it's not mid, like garbage or trash. These Jordans can actually give you good colorways. The mid top, they come with so many different colorways and they cheaper. So 9 times out of 10, if you see a Jordan high that you like, they probably have a Jordan mid that is the same colorway. I think one Jordan mid that I really wanted and I didn't get was the Space Jam Jordan 1 mids. Those are fire. These are the news airtime Jordan 1 mids. It gives you the actual whole storyline of Jordan in the Chicago Tribune of different actual news articles that was released during Jordan's era. So, alwoo-witdashoe, you already know what to do. Meet us around 2, tell a friend to tell a friend to meet us at 10 again. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. I'm telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, alwoo-witdashoe.